Lina joined a local repair cafe and learned to fix appliances, mend textiles, and repurpose old tools instead of buying new. She wrestled with fear of breaking things in crowds, yet mentors offered hands-on tips and friendly encouragement. Over months, she reduced waste, kept cherished items out of landfills, and saved money while building community bonds. Her biggest breakthrough came with a broken coffee maker, when a patient repair partner revealed a simple, lasting fix. Inspired viewers follow her lead, choosing durable goods, embracing tiny repairs, and proving sustainable choices can transform daily life.